Next, sum of odd digits. April 2022, an e-commerce company plans. Input format is input consists of an integer value. Output is total bill amount. Actually, input is 2514795. Output is 27. Why it is 27 means sum of odd digits. What are the odd digits in the given number? 5, 1, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 5, 27. Odd digits are add cheyali. First I can retrieve the digits. Simple logic. Input java dot util dot start scanner s equals to new scanner of system dot in. Okay, first I want to take the value. Int n equals to sc dot next int. After that, I want to retrieve the digits while n greater than 0. Then d equals to n modulus 10 to retrieve the digit. N equals to n by 10. వీటిని ఏం చేయమన్నాడు? సమ్ చేయమన్నాడు కాబట్టి int d comma s equal to 0. S equals to s plus d. Next, s equal to s plus d. Then system dot out dot println yes. It calculates sum of all digits. But our requirement is to calculate sum of odd digits only. Let's say at the time of adding, you can check the digit is even digit or odd digit. How to find the digit? If d modulus 2 double equals to 0 means even, 1 means odd. Then I want to add s equals to s plus d. And only odd digit అయినప్పుడు మాత్రం add అవ్వమంటున్నాను. If you run this one, everything is accepted. Okay. Sum of odd digits. Just you can check the digit is even digit or odd digit. If it is odd digit, you can add the digit into sum. Otherwise, you can skip.